Good morning, everyone. Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start chapter 6. Title of the chapter is World of Birds, Features, Eating Habits and Nest. In this chapter we are going to study about birds. So without further ado, let's get started. Now, all of you look at this one. What is this? This is a parrot. This is a bird. It is Emma's friend. Its name is Pittu. Hi, Pittu. Pittu has its nest in the branches of the tree. Friend of Emma. Pittu has how many legs? Pittu has 2 legs. Pittu has how many wings? 2 wings. We see many beautiful birds around us. Some are big, some are small. We have studied about our body parts, and in this chapter we have to study about the body parts of birds. Birds also have different body parts that make them special and different from us. Now, all of you look at this one. We are going to study about the parts of a bird. So, are you interested to study? Yes? So, let's get started. Do you like to fly in the sky? Yes? But we can't. We can't fly in the sky. Do you know why? Because we don't have wings, and birds have wings. So birds are able to fly in the sky. Now all of you look at this one. This part is called head. This part is head. This part is called nape. This part is wings, and this is feather. This part is tail, tarsus, leg, claws, body, neck, beak, eye. Birds, they don't have teeth like us. They have beak, and beak helps them to eat. Wings. See, this part is called wings. And do you know what's the difference between wings and feather? Wings are the forelimbs that are adapted for flight in birds. Wings are the forelimbs, and with the help of the wings, birds are able to fly in the sky. And feathers, see this part, feathers. Feathers are epidermal growth that cover the body of a bird. Hair-like structure and feathers cover the body of a bird. Claws. See this part. This part is claws, claw toes, and birds use their claws to catch food. With the help of the claws, birds, what do? They catch food. They catch food. See, with the help of the claws, and they protect themselves. With the help of the claws, they sit on the branches of the tree. They sit on the branches of a tree. Have you seen birds to sit on the branch of a tree? How do they sit? They sit with the help of their claws on the branch of a tree, and they hold their prey. They hold their prey with the help of their claws. So now all of you have understood about the function of the claws, about the function of wings, feathers, and about the body parts of a bird. This is very important. So you have to understand about the parts of a bird. Now all of you look at this one. We have to complete this. Now tell me, this part is, you have to fill this one. This part, eyes, beak, wings, feather, tail, claws. These are the parts of a bird. You have to draw the picture of the bird in your notebook, and then you have to level the features of a bird. Now, all of you look at this one. What do birds eat? Do you know that? What do birds eat? Plant matter. Birds eat grains, wheat, rice, fruits, vegetables. Birds eat other birds. Insects, aquatic animals, small animals, carrion, dead animals like eagle, vulture, they eat dead animals. Nuts, seeds. Now all of you have understood that what do birds eat? Eagle. Do you know that what does eagle eat? Eagle eats fish, dead animals, snakes, frog. What does duck eat? Duck eats pond weeds, seeds, insects, worms, fish. Crow. Crow eats frog, insects, grains, nuts, mice. So here you have to learn that what do birds eat. You have to study about the food items of birds. Now all of you look at this one. What a beautiful nest. Birds make nests to lay their eggs. Do you know that why do they make their nest? To lay eggs. We live in houses, and like us, birds, they live in their houses, and their houses are called what? Nests. Birds, they also need houses to live, and their houses are called nests. They make their nests to lay eggs, to protect their young ones. Young ones means babies. They have also babies, so they protect their young ones where? In the nests. Protect young ones. They protect from enemies. They protect themselves from bad weather. Bad weather. When it rains, in that time birds live where? Birds, they live in their nest to protect themselves from the enemies, from bad weather, protect young ones, to lay eggs. So birds, they have to make nests. And how do they make nests? Do you know? What do they need to make nest? They need dry leaves, twigs. Twigs means thin branch of a tree. Cotton, threads, wool, feathers, straws, etc. The birds make their nest mostly on the branches of trees, and they have different types of nest. We have also different types of houses. Our houses are not similar. Like birds, all the birds, they don't have similar nest. They have different types of nest. Can you identify this one, that which bird of nest is it? Can you answer me? All of you observe this nest. See, you will observe stitches here. Two leaves are fused together, and this bird has done work like a tailor. So this bird is called what? Tailor bird. Tailor bird. This is the nest of a tailor bird. Tailor bird sews leaves together with its beak to make its nest, and the nest keeps it warm because it is lined with wool, cotton, cobweb, grass and thread. And they live, tailor bird, they live where? In such type of nest. What a lovely nest. Now all of you are able to identify that which bird of nest is it. To see the nest, whenever you will observe the stitches, two leaves are sewn together, it means this is the nest of a tailor bird. Now all of you look at this one. What a lovely nest is it? Can you answer me that which bird of nest is it? You can answer me in the comment section. This nest hangs from the branches of the trees. See, this nest hangs from where? Branches of the tree, and this nest is very strong. And this is the nest of a weaver bird. And they make their nest with the help of grasses and twigs. Weaver birds make nest with the help of grasses and twigs. So now all of you are able to identify such type of nest. To observe it, such type of nest of weaver bird hang from the branches of the trees, and such type of nests are very strong. So different birds have different types of nest. Birds such as pigeons, sparrows collect twigs, grasses, leaves, etc. to make their nest. Woodpecker makes its nest by making a hole in the trunk of a tree. They make hole. See, this is the trunk. So they make hole in the trunk of a tree with the help of their beak, and they live in this hole and it makes nest. This is such type of hole is the nest of which bird? Nest of woodpecker. Woodpecker makes its nest by making a hole in the trunk of a tree with its sharp beak. With the help of the sharp beak, they make the hole in the trunk of a tree and they live in this hole, and this hole is known as what? Nest of the woodpecker. So now all of you are able to identify the nest of a tailor bird, weaver bird, woodpecker bird, sparrow bird. They have different types of nest. Birds singing. Birds such as nightingale, cuckoo and myna produce a very sweet voice. Have you heard voice? To sing, their voice is very pleasant to hear. Some of the birds produce sounds to warn others birds about any coming danger. If there is any danger, they start to make sound and to warn the other animals that there is danger, don't go there. So birds, they also communicate, they also talk, they also sing like us. And some birds, they have very sweet sound, very sweet voice, very pleasant to hear. Have you heard nightingale and cuckoo? Their sound is very sweet. That's why we compare people with nightingale and cuckoo. If they have such type of sweet voice, we say like this way: you sing like a nightingale, your voice is as like as nightingale, as like as cuckoo. Because such types of birds like nightingale and cuckoo, they have very sweet voice. So you have to also identify the sounds of different birds. To listen the sounds of different birds, you have to understand that which bird of sound is it. All of you understood? Now we have completed all the topics of this chapter. And thank you for today. Have a good one. Bye bye.